Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is focusing on an Edstrom racking system that we've installed into a Ford Transit. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. It will keep you up to date with all our latest videos. Other than that, guys, let's get started. So now inside the 2020 Ford Transit Custom, what I'm going to be talking you through is exactly what this system comes with. Obviously, this is completely customizable. When you get in touch with us, what we'll do is we'll spec, design and install your system to exactly how you want it. At the moment, we're also quoting for a completely custom racking system that fits exactly into what the customer is after. And that's why people come to us, because it's not an off-the-shelf solution. We do stuff differently and we design and spec the systems to exactly what's going to benefit you guys. Obviously, the system looks incredible. It gives a real professional image for you and your company. So what I'm going to be talking you through is exactly how this customer spec the van. So what we've got is a new floor. We've got really nice finishes on the sides as well, just to neaten it up. In terms of this side of the van, what we've got is basically shelving going all the way across, just allowing for sort of large storage items. We can do this in completely different ways. We can have this identical shelving on either side. We can do difference like we've done here. So it depends on what you're going to use the vehicle for. Whether you're a plumber, whether you're a builder, we can customize it to exactly your spec. So in terms of this is basically just raw shelving this side, and then on the other side here, what we've got is more shelving with some pull-out drawers, as you can see here. Really easy to use, really good quality. And then on the top couple of shelves, we've got these little boxes, allowing you to store the items that you use sort of day to day in these really nice little boxes, and they just fit really nicely up in here and they're stored safely. So it allows you to be more efficient, but also it allows you to see everything in the open. Also what you've got is down here, you've got more of these drawers that come out, and then this is a really nice feel. You've got the little toolboxes here. Again, these are system Edstrom, so we can customize this to exactly how you want, whichever toolboxes you want. It's an optional extra that if you want these, they just look really cool. They match the racking and they're a real nice go-to solution. But that's sort of one of the optional extras that we'll go through, and then they're really nicely, easily stored away. And again, you can store exactly what you want in there and also have different configurations in terms of what toolboxes you're after. So that's basically a little bit of an overview. It's all mounted in the vehicle securely. It's also got all the accreditations which can be found on Edstrom, System Edstrom's website. If you go onto the System Edstrom website, you'll be able to actually design your vehicle straight from there. If you need any help with that, feel free to get in touch with us. All our work does get carried out from workshop facilities here in Cambridge. So if your vehicle you're looking to have racked is just the one vehicle or it's a fleet of 50, make sure you get in contact with us. We have capacity here at CBS Automotive to get these all installed for your entire fleet. So make sure you get in touch. We'll drop all our links below. But hopefully you've seen a little bit more about the sort of boxes that you could be getting, the racking system, how it's actually mounted in the vehicle. Plus you've still got a large loading area through the middle of the van to store items. We can also do completely custom racking solutions if you wanted to block off a door, if you wanted to do it against the bulkhead. So just make sure you get in contact and we can go through all of the options with you. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. You've seen what an Edstrom racking system looks like in a Ford Transit. All of our work is completely custom, just like this one was. We designed, spec'd and installed the system all from workshop facilities here in Cambridge. So if you're interested, make sure you get in touch. We'll drop all our links below. But the best thing you can do to help us grow is press that subscribe button by hitting the link below. But thank you very much, guys, and we look forward to upgrading your fleet soon. Thank you.